Hello, assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. It's English class, and I'm at class 7, and we're going to act out a dialogue about a preposition. So let's enjoy the dialogue and put your valuable comment in my comment section. Then my students will be inspired and they will make a more video for you. So let's start. Here is Tamanna. She is student of class 7. So Tamanna, how are you? আমি এখন ইংরেজি গ্রামারের খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটা অংশ, একটা পার্ট which is from parts of speech. এখান থেকে I'm going to give her instruction and she will do according to the instruction. So let's start. 5 seconds. Okay, open your eyes. Now keep the pen in your hand. So my dear viewers, Tamanna get the pen in her hand, and there is a preposition in, and I will give her another instruction, and that is put the book on the table. Here we will get another preposition, and that is on the table. So Tamanna, please put the notebook beside the book. Okay, fine, thank you. I will give her another instruction. Keep the pen between the book and notebook. And Tamanna, please put the book on the notebook. Put the book on the notebook. Yes. Okay, fine. Now, Tamanna, please hold the book and hold the book over your head. Okay, fine. You can see over here. Now, Tamanna, put the notebook under the book. Yes. And please, here is preposition under. Now, keep the pen in front of notebook. Notebook is samne rakho. In front of. Keep the pen between the book and notebook. Here is preposition between. So my dear viewers, from this act out, we are going. We will get some preposition. So from the dialogue, we have clearly understand some of preposition in English language. So thank you very much, Tamanna. Thank you everybody, and Tamanna ke onek dhonnobad. Camera pichone chilo Ashik. He is a student of class 7. So thanks my class. Thanks everybody. See you next time.